Welcome everyone to Uma Chit Funds. Uma Chit Funds is a non-banking financial institution. And chit funds are the traditional means of saving and borrowing in which members or subscribers agree to contribute a fixed amount of money for a fixed duration of time. The total amount collected is then auctioned and given by as prize money to the member or subscriber in need. So this allows the members to save a part of their earning for the time when needed. Here, this platform also care about their customer satisfaction. They strive to provide the most advanced user interface to the users of their cheat groups. Each user would have a real-time update regarding their cheat purchase, upcoming or pending EMIs, actual benefits in the form of dividends, and borrows limit for each month, etc. They will try to keep their participants or cheat holders as close as possible by keeping complete transparency and attending personally to any cheat holder having problem or issue with the platform. And besides, the survey from will be sent to each cheat holder on the dashboard after the end of every successful cheat round to get genuine reviews about the cheat sessions platform and if any updates are needed. This will enable them to meet the demands of the cheat holders by implying necessary changes onto the platform for ease of access and convenience. So ultimately, the thing that makes Uma Chit Funds stand out from the other chit funds project in the market is that the fact the platform is backed by highly training blockchain technology along with enable smart contracts. By engaging the platform with blockchain technology, they would be able to serve the cheat holders with unmatched transparency, scalability, and some additional member benefits which will be made available at the maturity of every successful cheat team period. Smart contracts are lines of code that are stored on a blockchain and automatically execute when predetermined terms and conditions are met. And here, the benefits of smart contracts are most apparent in business collaboration, in which they are typically used to enforce some type of agreement so that all participants can be certain of the outcome without an intermediary's involvement. So, this will ensure full transparency and assure the users or members that their end of the deal will be made without an intermediary's involvement. All the records and history will be digitally stored and linked together on the distributed ledger. And each record is also encrypted to private and extra layer of security. Here, we all know that blockchain is said to be immutable because the records cannot be changed and transparent because all participants to a trade have access to the same version of the truth. So finally, I can say that this platform is a perfect blending with blockchain technology and smart contracts. And besides, this platform, I means Umachit Funds will make it possible for you to save and borrow funds easily without have a look at the financial documentation. Also, they look forward to providing various other opportunities which will make it convenient and beneficial for their users as well as members to pay the weekly, monthly, or yearly EMIs with their utility token, which will indeed help increase the demand and use cases for their coin on the platform. So, don't be late, hurry up, and thank you for watching this video.